What would happen to women who were found to be at fault in a divorce proceeding prior to no fault divorce? Was that woman left destitute? Was she granted any property after the dissolution? Under the old common law rule, a husband who was granted a divorce based on his wife's misconduct was not obligated to pay alimony. This rule, however, was modified by statutes and by other equitable principles. In most common law jurisdictions and in most states, courts had some means whereby they could award property even to women who engaged in marital misconduct. In Illinois, the old rule was that if a woman had engaged in the specific misconduct of adultery, she was not entitled to permanent alimony. This, of course, did not mean that she was not granted any property. Courts could take other equitable considerations into account, such as how much the wife contributed to the marriage and whether or not she maintained the home. And in some cases, this would result in women getting an equitable distribution of the property. On the other end of the spectrum, men who engaged in marital misconduct, this would have an impact on how much they had to pay in most situations. Now, it should be noted that only men were obligated to pay alimony, and this didn't change until the Supreme Court's decision in Orr versus Orr. After no-fault divorce, neither side was held to account for their marital misconduct, and thus neither party was disincentivized from misbehaving during the course of their marriage.